Imagine arriving at a lake, so clear, so still, so perfectly cradled between towering alpine cliffs, that it feels like you've stepped into nature's most guarded secret. Königssee isn't just beautiful, it's breathtaking in a way that instantly quiets your mind. The moment you see its emerald surface shimmering beneath the Bavarian sky, a gentle calm wraps around you, as if the world suddenly agreed to pause for a moment of pure peace. The steep mountains rise like silent guardians around the lake, their reflections rippling softly with every passing breeze. As you glide across the water on the iconic electric boats, the silence feels almost sacred, broken only by the haunting echo of the trumpet call at St. Bartholomew, drifting across the cliffs like a hymn from the earth itself. The air here is crisp, clean, and soothing, carrying the scent of pine forests and mountain mist. Every viewpoint feels like a painting: lush valleys, mirror-like waters, and sunlight that dances on the surface in gentle golden waves. Königssee is a place where time slows, stress melts away, and nature speaks in calm, steady whispers. It doesn't just impress you, it heals you, inviting your heart to breathe a little easier with every step.